κόκκινα φεγγάρια, Motorcycle Rock Show.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the R18B. This is a model between, let's say, the simple one and the Transcontinental, and also the Quip is also between. So what we got in this motorcycle extra to the standard model, I mean the simple R18. I will try to do not forget something. Okay, we got aluminum wheels. Okay, we got this windscreen and with this short gelatine. Normally the Transcontinental is bigger. We got all the Marshall speakers and the sound system. We got those clocks. Okay, we got American type steppers. Footresters, smaller of course than Transcontinental. We got bigger than the simple R18 saddle for both of the riders, but smaller of course than Transcontinental. We got those side boxes, we got a long tail, and we got those exhaust. What I believe for this motorcycle, this is a motorcycle that the weight of it is 398 kilos. But anyway, it's braking nicely like all the others. It's got a good ABS. It's powerful enough to move all over the world, but mostly with one person. As you understand, it's not so friendly for two riders. It's mostly for the round of the world with one rider and with speakers to play ZZ Top. Why not? ZZ Top, what a nice choice. So, do I feel comfortable in this motorcycle? It's a funny question if I feel comfortable in this motorcycle, because why you are buying a motorcycle like this? You buy it just to feel comfortable and make the round of the world. Of course I feel comfortable. I am well protected, I have a good view by the mirrors, everything is in a correct position, I can control my menu from here nicely. And what about Georgia? Georgia, please.
Nice enough steppers.
The funny is that the footrests are almost in the middle between the R18 and the Transcontinental, because here you have a big footrester, and but you change the gears like this, like the simple R18. In the bigger model, you just do it like this, you know, full American style. Here you are still in Europe, let's say. So, do you feel comfortable?
Very comfortable. It's not, you know, a chair,
yeah.
but a simple chair.
A simple chair. like you are stay on your computer.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Nice, Georgia. Okay, nice. Thank you.
I'm going down. Ho, ho, ho.
Okay, what we have here, a very rich clock. Fuel counter, kilometer counter, Berlin built, everything you like, plugs, everything, and Marshall speakers, very important, and here the screen that you can control, let's say, the electronic programs of this motorcycle from your left hand. Okay, also the radio and the Marshall from your left hand. Let's start it now. Of course, it's a keyless. We have the key in our pocket. BMW Motorrad, make a life a ride. Okay, Boxer, everything that is existing here is existing also here. Ah, this means that we have to drink a coffee in 2 hours.
Yes.
Oh, of course, always happen this with the Boxer engines, you know, and this is 1,800 cubics. Yeah, whee, whee. It's nice. Anyway, I love it. Whee. Sorry, I am a kid. What we got here, this is the biggest Boxer that ever BMW made. It's a 4-stroke, of course, twin, horizontally Boxer, of course. It's got 4 valves per cylinder and give us 91 horses at 4,750 RPM, but it's enough. It give us 158 Nm at 3,000 RPM, that they are a lot. Okay, we got 6-speed, we got shaft, of course, and because those bikes are very heavy, we got backwards. We got a lever from the other side that you turn it, and then with a starter you move the bike with a small electrical generation back. So, do I like this engine? Yes, it's a very good engine for this motorcycle. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a bit of American dream, a bit of classic. It's between the two worlds. Do I like it? This is not the point. The point is that this is a good motorcycle, and if you like it, because you will ride it, this is going to be a good bike to make the round of the world for a while with somebody else back and alone all over the world. So, Georgia, please. What do you think?
I think that this and the other, I can go anywhere. It's fantastic. It's a fantastic motorcycle. It's for travel.
I am fantastic.
For the best travel ever. You
I am fantastic.
are a poet of the dial.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ioannis and Georgia for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching.
Yes.
Αποφασισμένος, δεν θα πω πείμα.
Θεέ μου ευχαριστώ. Thank you. Thank you very much. What do you do this?